Whoa. Hey guys. Oh, I'm so cute. Hey guys, what do you do? Well, hey guys. Nope, we're gonna lower it a little. I'm too short for all of this. Hey guys, what do you do? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jola and I'm back again with another video. And in today's video, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be reviewing this hair. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell right next to it so you get notified whenever I post new videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and don't forget to share this video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so now into this video. This video is going to be very short. You can probably see by the timing because I'm just going to be reviewing the hair. This hair I got from the beauty store for I think $28 or $26, but it's gonna show when I insert the video on the screen. Guys, for this video we will be using the Straight and Go Organic Mastermind Yaki Straight 4-piece hair. It comes in the inches 22, 20 and 18. It also comes with a 5-inch dip part closure. And this is basically synthetic hair. As you can see over there, that is the price I got it for. It is synthetic hair that is supposed to feel like human hair. Pretty long, not bad. At the back it says Organic Mastermind 4 pieces. This is a picture of what it's supposed to be. I don't really like the picture of the closure on here, and I'm gonna see what if this is how this I'm gonna try to make it not turn out this way, although there isn't really much I can tweeze out or pluck out because it's weave on the net. It's not like hand knitted, it's just sewn weave on the net and then the front part was unknitted, so it might just end up looking like this. This is the Yaki Straight 4-piece hair. Our organic is made of the finest grade A fibers, formulated to mimic the look and feel of human hair, create sexy, voluminous and camera ready styles that will leave you turning heads. Effortless, bouncy, beautiful hair at an affordable price. Feel the density and natural thickness of premium quality hair. Simple secret to getting maximum volume and thickness. Beauty in the purest form. Create your own beautiful hair story. It is thick and voluminous, check. One of a kind quality, check. Soft and luscious, check. And another information that I'm not gonna read. Look at my nails, guys. And yes, one pack does it all, guarantee. So we're gonna get into this pack of bundles and we're gonna make a wig out of this, so let's go. So as I was saying, the closure is more like wefts sewn on a net or lace, so there isn't really much I can pluck, but it looks okay from the middle part in. It's gonna be a middle pattern wig. Feels pretty good. It is tangle free. Feels almost like human hair, but you can tell it's not human hair because of the price, but it's really nice. Yes, the hair is silky. It has a little bit of a shine, but it's not a crazy shine because it's synthetic hair, of course. Like, this is quality for the price. And length, this is really length ends. That is how long this hair actually is. It is synthetic, like I said. The closure, this is it. I don't need to pluck it. I don't need to do anything to it. Ignore, because I have like very high hair on that. This is the closure, guys. Do you see how beautiful that closure looks? It looks like my scalp, if you ask me. It doesn't tangle as much as your average synthetic hair. It is pretty durable. One issue is it gets rough really fast. Like, you can just do a quick flip and it just gets rough really fast. I actually like it, and I would advise you to buy this. This is a pretty nice wig. I made the wig by myself. I make wigs, custom wigs for people, so I made this wig myself. If you guys want a video on how to make wigs, please let me know, because I did one before. Just let me know and I'll do one again. While you are still here, let's just style the hair and see what this hair can do. Yes, this is it with a side part. Now, this is like my everyday style with this kind of hair, especially during the summertime when it's hot and you don't want too many things on your body. You don't want too much on you. This is a nice little classy style. Oh yeah, by the way guys, this hair does fall out. Not too much, but it does fall out. Like, when you brush it, you're gonna see some strands on your brush. This is another style you could always rock depending on your personality. And I have this ponytail. I can decide to roll it up, but I just decided to pin this here. That's another style. Okay guys, so we've gotten to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked this video. And yeah, that's it, period. See ya, Kasha, later boo. Kindly check out my previous videos by clicking one of the icons you see on the screen. Subscribe to my channel if you're new and click on the bell right next to it so you get notified whenever I post new videos. Also, comment down below your socials so you get a chance to be shouted out in my next video.